Hello, this is Liberty, and this is going to be a tutorial on how to add items to the accordion menu and also how to sort those items. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. You want to make sure you're logged into the site, that you have the permissions to do that, and if you don't, just let me know. And let's find a menu that we can test this on. Hiring postdocs is good because it's a small menu. All right, so first thing we need to do is we need to find out basically all accordion menus on the postdoc site are blocks. All right, so we want to find out is the block name, and the easiest way to do that is you go to the page that the accordion block is on, and then you go into Edit Current. And you go, like any other multi-purpose page, you want to go to the section where it is calling that block. And here we see it's calling that block because it says block right here. And this is the name of the block. The name of the block is hiring. Now we want to remember that. So let's put a pin in that for now because we're going to come back to that a little bit later. All right, so let's go ahead and exit out of that. And let's go ahead and create that item in the accordion menu block. We want to go to Content, Add Content, Accordion menu. Alright, so let's go ahead and give it a title. Call it Test Liberty. Alright. Now, this is going to seem pretty redundant, but we want to put the exact same thing in here. Now, the reason for that madness is because it kind of helps me on the administrative side. Is for sorting purposes, and I'll show you how we can sort these accordion menu items a little bit later in the video, but it doesn't really necessarily let me on the administrative side sort it by the default title, so I had to come up with another block with a unique name to identify with it. So I just created information blurb, and I just tell anyone that creates these things, just the same thing you put in title, put in information blurb. I know it seems kind of ridiculous and redundant, but it really does help me on the administrative side, and I do apologize if it's an inconvenience. Okay, so let's throw in some filler text right here. Now I got my Lorem Ipsum page here, so I'm just going to copy a few paragraphs. And we're just going to paste it in here, fill that up. All right, now this is what I was talking about earlier when I was saying remember the name of the block. We got to give it a category. Now when you give it a category, it assigns it to that particular block. And it says right here, block name hiring. So what we want to do is we want to select that. So let's go ahead and hit save. That'll create the content that'll eventually become the menu item in the accordion menu. So now let's see if it worked for us here. And it did, because there it is. We click on it, it expands out, it's got all of our text in it, looks good. Okay, so let's say we wanted to sort this particular menu. All right. So what we want to do is up here at the top, you see it says Accordion Menu Admin Sort Page. Let's click on that. And let's wait. Okay. All right, Accordion Menu Administrative Sort Page. So now we want to scroll down to where that accordion menu is. All right. And here it is, hiring accordion menu doc right here, and there's where we just added that. Let's say I wanted to put this at the very top of our accordion menu. So you just take it by the little cross thing here, drag it to where you want it, and then you click save. And then you wait. You keep waiting. There we go. Okay, so let's see if it took. So let's go back into that where that block is. And it did. There it is. Now, let's say I wanted to make changes to this, or better yet, if I just wanted to, well, let's just try making changes on it. Let's say you wanted to make changes on this. If you wanted to do that, you have to go into content. Okay. Now it says type. What we want to do, every bit of content that's on the website is on this page. And that's a lot of stuff there. So sorry about that. So let's narrow this down to everything that is accordion menu content. All right, now here's everything that's accordion menu content on the site. Here's the item I just created. Let's say we wanted to get rid of this and have it just say the old hello world. All right, so all right, we don't really want to change anything else, so let's go ahead and save that. Now let's check our hiring postdocs block. Click on that. Hello world. All right, now let's say we wanted to remove it. We just go back into content, click on our item, go and edit, and let's just go ahead and delete it. All right, so we removed it. So let's go into our hiring postdocs block, and it is now gone. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helps you as far as getting started. If you have any questions or comments or run into any difficulties, I'm always available. Just shoot me an email, let me know. I hope you have a great day and talk to you later.